Today, I'm saying, Korean prisons are known to be some of the worst in the world. They are places where human rights violations are widespread. The North Korean regime uses these prisons to hold its critics and those it considers enemies. There are two main types of detention camps in North Korea. Political prison camps Kwonliso. These are usually described as total control zones. That is, those held here are usually not released and are imprisoned for life. Those accused of political crimes are held here. The charges include criticizing the government, disloyalty to the rulers, or having ties with enemy people. One of the most shocking aspects is the guilt by association system of punishment, which means that if a person commits a political crime, up to 3 generations of their descendants are imprisoned in these camps. This means that the parents, siblings, and children of the person who committed the crime also imprisoned. These camps are located in the mountains and other places in the interior. They are completely isolated, with no contact with the outside world. Food is very scarce. Many prisoners die from malnutrition. Hard forced labor is performed here, for example, mining, farming. Brutal torture and beatings are common. Those who try to escape and those who disobey orders are often publicly executed. Re-education prison camps, Kyowaso. Those imprisoned here are sentenced to relatively short terms, 5 to 20 years. Hard forced labor, poor living conditions, and torture are also common here. However, there is a difference in that it is not life imprisonment like in political prison camps. Those who have committed legal crimes and those who the government deems to be in need of re-education are held here. General conditions, extremely poor living conditions, unsanitary surroundings, inadequate sanitation, and deadly diseases such as tuberculosis are common here. Starvation, prisoners are given very little food. Many are forced to catch and eat rats, frogs, and even snakes. Brutal torture, beating, sleep deprivation, confinement in cramped cells too small to stand or lie down, electric shocks, and strip searches are common. Forced labor, prisoners are forced to perform hard and dangerous work. Mining, logging, and farming are the main jobs. Human rights abuses. Human rights organizations, including the United Nations, have described conditions in North Korean prisons as crimes against humanity. Lack of release. There are few reports of anyone escaping alive from political prison camps. Only a few people have come forward to tell the outside world about their experiences. Lack of trial. Many prisoners do not even receive a proper trial. People are imprisoned on mere suspicion. The North Korean regime often denies the existence of these camps. However, the outside world knows about the horrors of these camps based on former prisoners, satellite images, and other evidence.